Good morning students. Students, we are going to study today few equations and these topics are also included in your syllabus. So please go through the topic that a few equations are involved here. Okay. Ethanol and ethanoic acid. You no need to study the uses of this at preparation. Some properties you have to study. That means some chemical reaction. Okay, it is included. So we just go through this, practice over this. First one is ethanol. You know, ethanol formula is meth, eth, all ethanol. No? Okay, all means what is that? Whose function group? OH. Alcohol function group is OH. Okay, ethanol, OLR, OH. And meth, eth means two carbons are involved. And now count the bond. Each carbon has how many bonds? 4 bonds. So here you are having 2 bonds. So more you write 2. This carbon has 1 bond. More you write 3. So it can be written C2H5OH. Okay, ethyl alcohol. This is the function. To this, when you add sodium, what will happen? This hydrogen will be displaced by sodium. Okay, hydrogen will be displaced by sodium. Hydrogen place you write sodium. So what is the product? C2, CH3, CH2ONA. Okay, otherwise C2H5ONA, C2H5ONA. What is the compound name? Sodium ethanoate. Sodium sodium ethoxide. Oxide is there, no? Sodium ethoxide. Okay, the compound name sodium ethoxide is in between. So ethoxide. Understand? So how do you get the ethanol metal react with the sodium metal, and the sodium will be displacing the hydrogen of the alcohol group. So hydrogen place we just write sodium. So common name is sodium ethanoate. The same way ethanoic acid also. What is ethanoic acid? Carboxyl group, no? COOH. How many carbons should be there? 2 carbon ethanoic acid. So one more carbon you write, and 1 bond more 3. This is ethanoic acid. This compound also react with the sodium. You have to compare and study. Okay. React with the sodium. The same reaction takes place here. What is the reaction? Hydrogen will be replaced by what is the Na, or hydrogen will be displaced by sodium metal. So what is the product? CH3COONA plus which gas will be liberated? Hydrogen gas. Understand? Here also hydrogen gas will be liberated. Understand? This is sodium ethoxide you will get. Here sodium ethanoate. Double O is there, is ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. Clear these two equations? The next equation is ethanol, meth, eth. Alcohol family is OH. The function group of alcohol is OH. And now you got to count the bond. Each carbon should have 4 bonds. This carbon has both the side 2. So more 2 you write. This carbon has 1 bond. So more how many members? 3. So overall 4 bonds. This is ethanol. And ethanol, when it is reacting with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now we are going to add concentrated sulfuric acid. Do you know what is the function of concentrated sulfuric acid? It acts as a drying agent. What does it mean? It removes or it eliminates water from the compound. So it acts as a dehydrating agent. So you have added, now water will be eliminated. So this carbon, these are the things are attached, these are the groups are attached. To this carbon 3 hydrogen are attached. Now you have to remove the water. This is OH and one more hydrogen you remove from this carbon. Understand? So now bond will be added. CH2, one hydrogen is removed, and double bond, here OH is removed, so CH2 unit. Getting? Double bond, ene you will prepare from ethanol. Once again I am writing, ethanol formula is meth alcohol. Each carbon should have 4 bonds, and this carbon has 3, 1 bond more 3. Now what will happen? You add concentrated sulfuric acid, it is a drying agent or dehydrating agent. Remove water from the compound. 1 OH and 1 hydrogen from here. It will be removed. Okay, water is removed. The rest you are having CH2, double bond CH2. Because elimination reaction, that bond will be increased. Number of bond will be increased. Because single bond change into double bond. Clear? Next go for the fourth equation is ethanoic acid. You are going to write acetic acid or ethanoic acid. The acid is called glacial acetic acid. Okay? Ethanoic acid. This is oic acid. And 1 bond, you should have 4 bond, no more 3 you write. Total 4 bonds should be there. 3 with hydrogen and 1 with carbon. Clear? So you are having 4 bonds. To this you are going to add ethanol. Ethanol, what is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH. Understand? And along with what you are going to add? Concentrated sulfuric acid. When you add concentrated sulfuric acid, I told you what is the function of concentrated sulfuric acid? It acts as a drying agent or dehydrating agent. It eliminates water from the compound. Here 1 OH from this compound and 1 hydrogen from this compound. So water will be eliminated and the rest of the compounds are CH3, COO or C2H5. Okay, this compound is called ester. You will get fruity smell compound. The compound has sweet smell. As soon as add these 2 functional group, when you add these 2 functional group, that is acetic acid and alcohol. This is acetic acid family, this is alcohol family. When you add these 2 compounds, you will get ester in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, middle COO is this, it is ester compound. Understand? This reaction is called esterification. What is this called? Esterification. What is esterification? Formation of compound which has sweet smell nature, sweet smelled nature or fruity nature. Fruity smell, you know, fruit smell. Okay, such a nature, sweet smelled compound you get, that is ester. When do you get ester? After adding 2 different compounds. One is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Here I am adding to ethanol. And you add concentrated sulfuric acid, they eliminate water from this compound and join the compound and you write the product is ester. Understand? The second reaction is to this ester you add NaOH. Okay, so next reaction. Esterification after you are going to study saponification. Soap, preparation of soap. This method they are following. Saponification. To this ester compound, you are adding alkali. And this is minus charge, this is plus charge, this is plus charge, this is minus charge. What will happen? Exchanging of radicals. This minus join with this plus. This negative radical join with positive radical. So CH3 COO Ne plus this positive radical join with negative radical. So C2H5OH. So you will get back the alcohol. This is called sodium. This is acetic acid. Hydrogen is substituted by sodium. So it is called sodium acetate. Okay, sodium acetate. Clear? And 2 more equations you have to study. That is acetic acid with the base and acetic acid with a carbonate compound or acetic acid with a bicarbonate. What is bicarbonate? Hydrogen carbonate. You know this reaction because this is an acid. This is base. Base with acid you will get salt and water. How do you get salt? Hydrogen is substituted by metal. Hydrogen is substituted by metal. CH3, COO, Na. Okay, base with acid, salt and water. Sodium acetate salt. The next one is acid with carbonate. You will get salt, water, carbon dioxide. What is the salt? Hydrogen is substituted by metal. How do you get the salt? Hydrogen of the acid is substituted by or replaced by metal. Okay, so CH3, COO, Na, water and carbon dioxide gas. So carbonate with acid, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Here also acid. This is bicarbonate. Same reaction. Salt, water and carbon dioxide. How do you get salt? Acid hydrogen is substituted by this metal. So CH3, COO, Na plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. These are the product you will get. These are the acidic nature of, these all properties shows the acidic nature of acetic acid. Okay children, thank you.